Rebuild Pandas data frame. I'm pretty new to Python. I'm having trouble with reconstructing a bad data frame. My data frame looks like this. As you can see, I have the IDs in the first, second and third kernel, the same for the other values. My goal is to have a data frame in which each call has only the values beginning with the same substring, like this example. I already tried using for loops and if statements to check if a certain substring is in my string. If that's true, I create a new column and write my value inside it. I know this code will never solve my problem. Maybe there is some Pandas function which can help me to solve this problem. If something is not clear, just ask me. I'll try my best to explain my problem.
You can use sorted with custom key function. Prints. Another version from the comments.
If possible, simplify solution by split values by first blank. Else you can use series.str.extract. Try this.
You could first melt the data frame, then use numpy select to reorder the names, and finally pivot.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.